afternoon. Brian, Byron Seidler here at Wichita Falls Ford Lincoln, doing a little walk around video for you on the new truck that you purchased. 2020 Ford F-150 XLT FX4 off-road. Drop-in bed liner, chrome wheels, running boards, all-weather floor mats. Power passenger seat. Blind spot monitoring. All nice and cleaned up for you. Keypad entry. On the fly 4x4 with your locking differential. Heated seats. Got our 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. All around gorgeous car. Be on its way soon to you. Give Cecil 5 out of 5 on a survey. Thank you, sir.